Morning, everyone. It's a beautiful morning out today. It's just going to be passing through Quebec City here, probably in the next 20 minutes or whatever. And I'm on my way up to Rivière-du-Loup. And I'll tell you, this road section, the 138 from Trois-Rivières to Quebec, man, it is stunning. Most of the time I've either taken the 40 or the 20 to go up to Quebec City, but only because the 138 below Trois-Rivières is usually pretty lumpy. But wow, it's been just absolutely beautiful, and the amount of bikes on it is just crazy. Yeah, so quite enjoying it. Ran into a couple of spider people every time I stop at one of these rest stop things and get to talk to them. Find out how bad my French has gotten, but anyway, still had fun. At least you can make your point or whatever and talk. That's all I have for now. Probably talk to you on the other side of Quebec City and see what's going on up there. Talk to you later. Bye for now. Good afternoon, everyone. Well, I'm about 30 minutes out of Rivière-du-Loup, and it's been a really nice day. Really windy, though. You probably can see by some of the grass blowing in the background there. Just passed a really bad accident. It looks like somebody went off the road, and I guess they're trying to get him out of the ditch or whatever. But yeah, it's been now, and of course my brake light thing came back on again, a low brake fluid, so when I stopped and just started the engine, came on, of course turned it off, took a look, everything's fine. Tried it 3 or 4 times to reset it, still stayed on. Then I decided to drive for a little bit and stopped in a parking lot somewhere, oh no, a gas station, and went and got some water, and when I came back out, everything was cleared. About another 50 kilometers down the road, my parking light comes on. I don't know. And then the low brake fluid light comes on. I don't know. Don't know if they're connected or related, but anyway, I still haven't heard anything back about how easy it is to change a sensor or what I need to do, but hopefully I'll hear something back from them probably tomorrow, because today is Sunday, I think. Yeah, so hopefully I hear something tomorrow. Anyways, that's all I have. I'm doing good. I mean, there's not much else I could do. I mean, if the lights come on, I just gotta check and make sure everything's good, but he's pissing me off just a little bit. Anyways, talk to you tomorrow. Bye for now.